Good morning, everyone. Respected chairperson, chief guest, the principal, the parents, the teachers, and all my dear friends. Welcome to the Happy Independence Day celebration at our school, and wishing you all a Happy Independence Day. Every year on 15 August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. In this national celebration day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. Friend, the sacrifice of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others who lost their lives to fight for their country can never be forgotten. We are so lucky have been given a land of peace, happiness by our forefathers. We can enjoy our fundamental rights. Independent India is a beautiful gift for us from our mothers. So friends, it is now our responsibility to value independence by doing for the like keeping our environment clean, helping the people in need, and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our constitution. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.